Jianfu Square, which is an ideal place for Muslims to stay because there's a masjid right across the road and there's a long road of halal food right next to it. So to go to Mount Qingcheng, we woke up early in the morning, took the metro because it's gonna be a long ride. So as you can see, we started in the station Jianfu Square, and after 14 stops we reached Shipu station. But after Shipu station you have to ride multiple buses just to get to the mountain, which can be time consuming and stressful. So it's an easy way to call a Didi, and that's what we did. We called a Didi and we reached to the mountain in like an hour, and it wasn't that expensive. I forgot exactly how much it was, but it wasn't that expensive. Again, he didn't drop us exactly near the mountain, so we had to take this rickshaw, and this rickshaw took us to the mountain for about 10 or 20 won, and this is how it looked like. Hey guys, so today we're visiting this temple of Taoism. Taoism is similar to Buddhism, and I believe, wal-'iyadhu billah, but like visiting such places makes you be grateful ala ni'mat al-Islam. You must have seen these symbols in many movies and animes. Let's go. So on these walls there are symbols and the Chinese letters, which I know as kanji, but they're originated from Chinese. So you could see Ai, which is love, Go, country, Hong, spread, Tao, which is Taoism, and then the dragon seal. So here we've got the general Tai Sui, and these are 4 signs of the 12 Chinese zodiac signs. So the snake sign is Tai Sui's sign, and the pig sign, they are opposing him. The tiger, he's against him, and the monkey would break Tai Sui. So if, for them, if someone's from the snakes zodiac sign, they would get along with Tai Sui. But why would they want to get along with him?
So there's a hotel here that you can stay in, and I would highly recommend it because the place is really, really good. You can't just stay here for a day trip and go back. It would be lovely to sleep, wake up in the morning, and walk all of these roads every day. And so this is the front gate from where we will enter. Let's go. So this whole footage was just the pathway to the gate. Now we are entering Mount Qincheng. Nice, and the coffee is on Jingyang. It's so now the real hiking begins, going to the mountains, through the stairs, or here. So you can see many people here are using bamboo branches to hike. They sell them out here. You don't need to worry about those. You could easily buy those for like 3 or 5 yuan. The lovely people who help you hike. I mean, it would feel very awkward to let the old men carry you all the way up, but it's their job. I'm already losing out of my breath. We're going down. So a fun fact about Mount Qingcheng. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's just so beautiful. You could take this ferry to roam around the lake. So we've been climbing a lot today. Another fun fact about Mount Qincheng is it's one of the 4 sacred mountains for Taoism. What are the other 3? I'll leave that for you to research, but Mount Qincheng is one of the 4. So from here we had 2 options. You could either walk all of this way up to the mountain, but that would take a lot of energy and time, and I don't have that. So I'm gonna take the easy way up. That is the cable car. Let me tell you guys, the mountain is 100 meters high, and it's not an easy hike to hike. I'm out of my breath already. So now we're at a height of more than 1.2 kilometers. The geolandscape of this place
is like a slope, high in the west and low in the east. Mount Qingcheng is in the transitional zone between these two, the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau and Chengdu's plain land, with characteristics of rich biodiversity, various landscapes and fragile ecosystem. Take vegetation, for example. There are more than 3,200 species of higher plants and 2,800 angiosperms. For example, Chinese ginkgo tree, dove tree, katsura tree, and snow lotus. This place is rich with vegetation. Alright guys, so that was it for today's hike. Share it with others if you enjoyed the video and like it if you think it's of value. See ya!